Hello दोस्तों, this is Vishakha Daga coming up with next round of Bus 5 minute, where in few 5 minutes we're going to discuss about Abhyas, which is tested by the DRDO. It's also called High Speed Expendable Aerial Target. So let us discuss what it is so that you're able to get it. In this video, we are going to talk about first what is Abhyas, second what are its features, and then we'll talk about what is its significance. So let's talk about it, but before, try to give the answer to this question. The question is Abhyas Heat, which was in news recently, enhancing India's combat capability by which of the following method? So it uses what method by which the combating capability of India has been enhanced? So the option 1 is it is a powerful anti-tank missile developed by DRDO, or it is a surface-to-surface ballistic missile with intercontinental range, or it is one of India-US military exercise enhancing mutual cooperation and coordination, or it is a high-speed expendable aerial target helping in evaluation of missile. Okay, so these are certain options that you have. In the end of the video, you'll definitely know what is it. So let's move ahead and understand them one by one. One of them is, what is Abhyas? Abhyas actually called as high-speed expendable aerial target is actually not a missile, but it is something that help in testing the qualities of missile. Because we talk about na ki missile have this precision, and it has this amount of range. It can actually counter the enemy from multiple direction. Ki this is how missile goes, and even if the target is here and there, it can navigate well in order to hit its target. Now, how do we evaluate that missile is doing all of this? So it need to hit something, right? Now, in order to, in the actual weapon situation, this target may be actually, or this could be another missile, enemy missile, or could be helicopter, or it could be a UAV, right? A drone. But if we in order to test a missile, if we use all of these are really expensive thing. A helicopter is really expensive, right? A missile is actually very expensive. That if we waste like this, it may cost huge actually expenditure on us. So in order to target, we create something which is lesser expensive, yet simulate the similar condition. So it is what we invent something which is cheap, but simulate the scenario. So that simulator which create a condition of the helicopter or missile or UAV is actually Abhyas. So Abhyas is nothing. Abhyas is actually something, a fake device kind of, which is going to simulate the missile, which is going to simulate your helicopter or UAV. So it is a target which a missile is supposed to hit in order to understand or visualize its capability. It's like developing a vaccine actually. The original virus has not hit you, but you inoculate yourself with something like a dead virus or something. So it's like that kind of thing. Abhyas actually simulates that scenario. So it is a target developed. Most important thing, what you're going to remember in here, that it is being developed by DRDO, which is a research and development wing of the Ministry of Defense. DRDO, and it's actually Aeronautic Development Establishment, which is an agency that works under DRDO, which helps in developing the aeronautic devices like UAV, drones, etc. are developed by the Aeronautic Development Establishment. So first of all, you must have understood what is Abhyas. Abhyas is not a missile. Abhyas, as the name suggests, practicing target. So it is what? A practicing target on which a missile targets in order to understand its capability. Second most important thing you remember is how does it work? How? Because something that can fly has three most important things. It needs to have some source of power to fly. It needs to have some source of navigation in order to control the direction where it is going. And third, it needs to have some sort of control and guidance mechanism. Where to go, what to hit, etc. So these three things are needed, which we are going to discuss. Number one, it is powered by a small turbine engine and two underslung booster. So look at this. This is powered by the turbine and the two boosters. There are two boosters which are actually giving its power to fly ahead. So they can fly at a subsonic speed. So it is actually flies at subsonic speed with the help of turbine and two boosters. This is power. This is its power mechanism. The second important thing is navigation. How does it navigate? In order to navigate, it uses the MEMS based inertial navigation system. MEMS is nothing actually. It's your micro electrical and mechanical system. That means for navigation, you use some kind of electrical mechanical system to actually control your direction. So this is MEMS. For guidance and control, there is a flight control computer. A flight control computer is based on the ground, which actually help guide, give it direction. Ki there you have to move, that is your direction or target, etc. So it has like this. So this power, navigation and guidance. Second, though it can be guided with the help of a ground computer, it can be fully autonomous as well. That means you need not control it from the ground station. It can fly on its own by navigating it itself. So that is understanding Abhyas. With that, we are done with the Abhyas, and you can give me the answer. Ki what is it? It is neither an anti-tank missile. It is not surface-to-surface ballistic missile. It is not India-US military exercise, which is also named as Abhyas. It is actually a high-speed expendable aerial target helping in evaluation of missile. I hope you've got the answer. And if that is the case, then like and subscribe the video. If not, then leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much.
Current Affairs by Forum IAS is an all-in-one program that covers the dynamic aspect of the syllabus from both prelims and mains perspective. Last year, we have helped more than 100 students crack IAS with our current affairs classes.